Today, we're going to talk about the 3 most important rules in self-branding. Maybe you've already asked yourself what you have to be aware of, where do you have to be careful if you want to develop your strong and meaningful personal brand, and that's what we're going to look at now. My name is Petra, I'm an expert in self-branding, and I've been helping my clients for the past 15 years developing their attractive personal brand. Now, rule number 1, authenticity. Your personal brand is always about you. It's about who you are. It's about your strengths, your values, the emotions that are important to you. So branding is never about copying somebody. It's not about inventing anything. It's not about wanting to be somebody else. It's really about my personal traits, my strengths, about who I am. So don't go and say, oh, Heidi Klum, she's so successful, I do like Heidi. That works for Heidi. That probably won't work for you. You have to find your own. That's very important. Authenticity. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, your personal brand is always unique. And that for many people is difficult because they think, I'm such an ordinary person. I don't play tennis like Roger Federer. I don't look like Heidi Klum. How can I be unique? But that's a pure misperception on your part, because whatever you're good at, for you is normal. For example, holding a presentation. If you're a good presenter, that for you is normal. It's easy. So the thought that because you're good at it, everybody's good at it is very close. But that's wrong. So here, it's not a question of becoming unique, because we're all unique. It's a question of seeing what makes me unique and valuing what makes me unique. And that's the problem we often have. We're just not self-conscious enough. We're just not proud of ourselves and of what we do. Rule number 3 is focus. That now is a difficult one because we have lots of talents, we have lots of things we're good at, we have lots of things we like to do. But in branding, it's very important to focus. If you try to get it right for everybody, if you try to please everybody, you're not going to please anybody in the end, and you're not going to be happy about it. So if you try to be everything for everybody, you're going to be nothing for nobody. Don't try to be everybody's darling. You won't be successful. And if you follow these 3 rules, authenticity, uniqueness, and focus, then you have a very good chance that you develop your meaningful personal brand. And if you like these tips and if you like this video, then please give me a like. And if you have any questions, anything to add, any remarks, feel free to write me a comment.